Hey guys, so I wanted to go over something real quick, which we get the question a lot of the areas that we maintain. Normally this refers to mowing, and our guys only mow the sodded turf areas. And this normally refers to like a Bermuda, Zoysia, or St. Augustine area, which sod has been laid down. It's under irrigation normally. Areas that we do not maintain, or what we call the native areas. And what this kind of looks like a lot of times is a native stand of grass that probably was there before the house, but generally you'll have a lot of rocks, be rocky areas, little ledges, areas that really haven't been touched from before construction or anything like that. The reason why we do not maintain these is, one, it's really hard on our mowers if we're in there. The mower can hit a rock and throw that rock, and they can throw them pretty far. Which goes to the weed eating, the trimming that goes around. Those weed eaters can grab a rock and throw them very far. They can go break windows, they can injure somebody, and it is also hard on that equipment as well. So we don't maintain any of these areas. If you got real rocky areas or just real thick grass that gets extremely tall, that 2-3 foot tall, those are areas we do not maintain for safety reasons. And there are other guys out there who you might be able to find to mow those areas, but here at Century we don't maintain those. If you have any questions, just leave a message and we can get them answered for you. And thanks a lot.